Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. It is Prob here, and today is finally the day that we review the Viltrox EF M2 adapter. Now, I've been using this adapter for about the past 1 month, and here is my full review of this quote-unquote Metabones killer. But before starting, make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel, because more videos related to this adapter are on their way. For example, a video in which I share with you guys how I took this shot with Lumix G7 and the Sigma 18-35 using the Viltrox EF M2 adapter. And also, it would be great if we could hit 2,000 subscribers by the end of this month. So, without any further ado, let's get started. The Viltrox EF M2 adapter comes in this white and red accented box, which further carries a hard-shelled plastic case, which holds the Speedbooster, a small screwdriver, and an Allen key. Now, the build quality of this adapter is pretty impressive. It feels very solid in the hand and has a metal build with metal mounts. On the actual body of the adapter, there is a switch to change the aperture, which kinda does work, but once you use it, you would no longer be able to control the aperture from within the camera, and in order to reset it back to normal, you have to restart your camera. Also, on the body of the adapter, there is a micro USB port, which you can use to update the firmware, and as a matter of fact, Viltrox has released a few updates over the past couple of months. Moving on to the interior of the adapter, the glass element inside reduces the focal length and aperture by a factor of 0.71 times, which in simple terms means that any lens that you would adapt will have an overall 1.4 times crop to it. For example, a 50mm f1.8 EF lens would have a 70mm f2. Full frame equivalent on a micro four thirds body. Something else to note here is that this adapter is built for EF lenses, which are designed to fit on a full frame camera. Any EF S-mount lenses would not work with this adapter unless you are manually willing to modify them. Now, let's talk about the image quality that this adapter delivers. So, the main reason why I bought this adapter was because of its focal reducing capabilities and the fact that it could control aperture from within the camera body. And so far, I have had a very pleasant experience using this adapter. The lens that I use with my setup is the Sigma 18-35 f1.8, and from the results so far, I can confidently say that there is no major degradation of image quality from this adapter. I've been using it both for photography and to record 4K video, and I have yet to see any drawbacks in terms of image quality due to this adapter. Regarding autofocus, I would say it works both while taking photos and recording video, but it's nowhere near the performance of native micro four thirds glass. In continuous autofocus mode while recording video, the autofocus from this adapter is pretty much unusable if the lens is wide open. Usually there is a lot of focus hunting, and sometimes even after locking, it starts to hunt again. Now, I think this is totally normal, and just the fact that you get autofocus alone is a huge plus for me. Although I would say consider your priorities before making any purchase decision. For me, I work in a controlled environment and that's why it works out. But if you're doing a lot of run and gun stuff and are not willing to use manual focus, then this adapter would not be a solution to your problems. So in the end, the question is, would I recommend this adapter? And the clear answer from my side is yes. This thing at the current price point is just amazing. Before this adapter, the only reliable way to use an electronic EF lens on a micro four thirds body was to use the Metabones Speedbooster. And there was a kind of monopoly by Metabones in that market. But now I'm happy to report that there is competition, and I personally would like to see more manufacturers like Viltrox to produce smart speed boosters aimed at the budget section of the market. So that's it for this video. If you think this video was helpful in any way, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button, because your support is what helps me make these videos. So thank you for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next one.